Hey guys, Chris Maris here from cryptonerdz.org, and today the team and I have come up with a really cool idea. Is it possible to make $30,000 buying and selling cryptocurrencies? The gauntlet has been thrown. The question is, are you up to the 30K crypto challenge? All you need to do is pay attention for the next couple of minutes, and I'll explain the rules. First, let me make one thing totally transparent. I'm not some financial whiz kid or cryptocurrency expert. In fact, anyone who says they're a crypto expert are talking total BS. As it stands, everyone is on a level playing field. No one has the upper hand when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Even some of the most powerful people in the world don't know what the hell is going on. The truth is, the only thing anyone knows about cryptocurrency is that it's going to make a lot of people a ton of money. And I'm not just talking about the already rich wigs. I'm talking you, me, and all the other average people in the world. That's the beautiful thing about crypto. Anyone can make money from it. You don't need to be rich, you don't need technical knowledge, and you don't need much time. All you need is a small amount of investment. And remember, this is an investment, not a gamble. An internet connection, and 20 minutes per day, if that. Sound good? Great! Let me explain how the 30K Crypto Challenge works. The rules are pretty simple. We're looking for 100 participants from around the world to take part. Male, female, black, white, rich, poor. It doesn't matter who you are or where you're from. In fact, if you're already thinking, I'm not cut out for this, well then you're the perfect candidate to take part in this experiment, because we want to see, is it possible for anyone to make 30K with crypto? The whole point of this exercise is to see if we, the average Joe, can make $30,000 using as little startup capital as possible in just 4 weeks. If at any point you forfeit the challenge, you must wear the I am still a loser hat, stick a hot dog in your ear, and post it on social media. I'm only kidding, but that would be pretty funny. Look, we get contacted regularly by our subscribers, with the majority of them being left feeling uninformed and confused due to the daily contracted claims and stories that simply have the little substance or proof behind them. Today I want to put the record straight and see just how much money really can be made, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. There's not going to be any mumbo-jumbo talk, confusion, or hidden catches. It's a simple, can we make 30K, yes or no? Are you ready for the 30K Crypto Challenge? Register now, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for watching.